Namaste, Class 4th Mathematics ICSE Syllabus, Chapter number 6, Multiplication. Article number 6.5, Multiplying bigger numbers by a 3-digit number. Multiplying bigger numbers by a 3-digit number. First example, multiply 742 by 132. So first 742 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 742 multiply with 132. So first 2 ಇಂದ 742 ನ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. So 742 multiply with 2. So we'll get 1484. Step 1 for solving the problem idu. Multiply 742 by 2 and write the product below as shown. Okay, this is the product. Next, 742 multiply with 132. So 742 multiply with 2 is 1484. This is the product. After that 3. ಈ 3 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 3 is 10th place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 10 digits. 10 digits ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 0 ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು at one place. Put a 0 or write a 0 at one's place or units place. After that multiply 342 multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12 ಗೆ 2, 1 carry, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1 is 22. So 742 multiply with 20. This is 20. So we'll get the answer 22,260. Next 742 multiply with 132. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 742 multiply with 2 means product is 1484. Next after that 742 multiply with 30. Product is 22,260. Next 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this 1 is in ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, 100s place. ಸೊ 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 zeros ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 2 zeros ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ 742 multiply with 1. 1 into 2 is 2. ಇದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲೇ. 1 4s are 4, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ 1 7s are 7. So 742 multiply with 100. So add 2 zeros at the end of this number. We'll get the product is 74,200. Okay. Put 2 zeros at the ones and tens place. 2 zeros na ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ones place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು tens place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪುಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ 742 by 1. Write the product as shown. Next after that add the 3 products. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ write the answer below as shown. So first 742 multiply with 2 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ product is this one. After that 742 multiply with 30. ಸೊ 0ನ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ 1 0 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 742 multiply with 30 is 22,260 is the product. Next after that 742 multiply with 100. 100 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು, ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದಿ 3 products and write the answer below as shown. So 4, 8 plus 6 is 14, 4, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Next 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Next multiply 6,378 by 315. First multiply 630 6378. Multiply 6378 by 315. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 6378 multiply with 5 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 5 8s 40ಗೆ 0, 4 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 5 7s 35, 35 plus 4 is 39ಗೆ 9, 3 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 5 3s 15, 15 plus 3 is 18ಗೆ 8, 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 5 6 30, 30 plus carry 1 is 31. So 31,890 is the product. Next after that ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, multiply 6378 multiply with this one is 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 1 into 10 ಅಂದರೆ 10. ಸೊ 6378 multiply with 10 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ 0 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 8s 8, 1 7s 7, 1 3s 3, 1 6s 6. This is the product of this tens ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Next after that 6378 multiply with 300. So 2 zeros ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 2 zeros at the ones and tens place. Put 2 zeros at the ones and tens place. Before multiplying 378 multiply with 300ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. 6378 multiply with 300ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 2 zeros ಒಂದನ್ನು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 6378 multiply with 300. ಆಗ 2 zeros ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಝೀರೋನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ, ಅನದರ್ ಝೀರೋನ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಈಗ 3 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ 3ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ 3 ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 3 8s 24ಗೆ 4, 2 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 3 7s 21, 21 plus 2 is 23ಗೆ 3, 2 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 3 3s 9, 9 plus 2 is 11ಗೆ 1, 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 3 6s 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. This is the product for ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ 6378 multiply with 300. So product is 19,13,400 is the product. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. So 6378 multiply with 300 is 19,13,400 is the product. Next after that add all 3 products add ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, so 0, 8 plus 9 is 17ಗೆ 7, 1 carry, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20ಗೆ 0, 2 carry, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10ಗೆ 0, 1 carry, 10ಗೆ 0, 1 carry, 2. So 20,09,070 is the answer. Okay, next example 3. Multiply 45,321 by 175. So 45,321 multiply with 175. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 45,321 multiply with 5 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 5 1s 5, 5 2s 10ಗೆ 0, 1 carry, 5 3s 15, 15 plus 1 is 16ಗೆ 6, 1 carry, 5 5s 25, 25 1 plus 1 is 26ಗೆ 6, 2 carry, 5 4s 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. Next after that 7 is in tens place ಇದೆ. So 7 into 10 is 70. ಆ 70ಯಲ್ಲಿ 0ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಡ್ 0 at the end of the number. ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 45,321 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ 70 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ 7 1s 7, 7 2s 14ಗೆ 4, 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 7 3s 21, 21 plus 1 is 22. 1 minute. 7 ಇದು 0 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. 7 1s 7, 7, 7 2s 14ಗೆ 4, 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 7 3s 21, 21 plus 1 is 22ಗೆ 2, 2 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37 is 7. 3 carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. So this product is from Yaudlinda 45,321 multiplied by 70. So that product is 31,72,470 is the product. Next, ಈ 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ 2 zeros ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ಝೀರೋನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಅನದರ್ ಝೀರೋ ಇಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ? ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ 2 zeros ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ 1ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ 1. ಸೊ 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4. So then add all three products, you'll get the final answer. 5, 7, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 carry. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 3, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7. So 79,31,175 is the answer. Next, exercise 6D. First multiply A. 496. 496 multiply by 262. 262. Okay. 496 multiply with 262. So 2 6s are 12 get 2, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 again 9, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Next this is 6, 6 into 10 is ಅಂದರೆ 10th place ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. 0ನ 1s place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? 6 6 36ಗೆ 6, 3 carry, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 3 is 57ಗೆ 7, 5 carry, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 5 is 29. Next 2 is in hundreds place ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 zeros ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಝೀರೋನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅನದರ್ ಝೀರೋನ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 6s are 12ಗೆ 2, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19ಗೆ 9, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So add these products. 2 9 plus 6 is 15ಗೆ 5, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 2 19, 19ಗೆ 9, 1 carry, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19ಗೆ 9, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So 1,29,952 is the answer. Okay. Next problem. 7,018 by 7,018. So 7,018. Okay, 7,018 by 120. 120. 7,018 by 120. So 7,018 multiply with 120. So 0 multiply with any number is 0. Allige 0 0 0 0. 4 zeros because 4 digits ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 4 zeros. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಝೀರೋನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 2 8s 16ಗೆ 6, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Next 2 into 0 is 0. 2 sevens 14. Next 1 is hundreds place. 2 zeros ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 1 0ನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅನದರ್ ಝೀರೋಸ್ನ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 8s 8. 1 1s 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 7s 7. Add these products 0 6. 8 plus 3 is 11 ಗೆ 1 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8,42,160 is the answer. Next C 9,255 by 310. 9,255 by 310. 310. 9,255 by 310. ಸೊ 0 ಇಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 0 0 0 4 ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0ನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. 1 5s 5. 1 5s 5. 1 2s 2. 1 9s 9. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಝೀರೋನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ, ಅನದರ್ ಝೀರೋನ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. 3 5s 15ಗೆ 5. 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. 3 5s 15. 15 plus 1 is 16ಗೆ 6. 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. 3 2s 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 9s 27. Add these products 0 5. 5 plus 5 is 10ಗೆ 0. 1 carry. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16ಗೆ 6. 1 carry. 8 2. 28,69,050. See here, 28,69,050 is the answer. Okay, next D 825 by 486. 486. So 825 multiply with 486. 6 5s 30 ಗೆ 0. 3 carry. 6 2s 12. 12 plus 3 is 15ಗೆ 5. 1 carry. 6 8s 48. 48 plus 1 is 49ಗೆ 49. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 8 ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. 0ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 8 5s 40. 0 4 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. 8 2s 16. 16 plus 4 is 20ಗೆ 0. 2 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. 8 8s 64. 64 plus 2 is 66. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 is in hundreds place. ಒಂದು ಝೀರೋನ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ಅನದರ್ ಝೀರೋ ಈಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 5s 20. 0 2 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. 4 2s 8. 8 plus 2 is 10ಗೆ 0. 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. 4 8s 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. Add these products 0 5 9. 6 plus 4 is 10ಗೆ 0. 1 carry. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10ಗೆ 0. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4,950,000 is the answer. 4,950,000 is the answer. Next E 70,000. 70,000 70 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ. 70,000 516. 516 by 180. 118. 70,516 by 118. So 70516 multiply with 118. 8 6 are 48 ಗೆ 8, 4 carry, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 4 is 12 ಗೆ 2, 1 carry, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 1 is 41 ಗೆ 1, 4 carry, 8 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 8 7s are 56. Next this 1 is placed at ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ put 0 in the ones place. Next 1 6 6, 1 1s 1, 1 5s 5, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 7s 7. Next this one is in hundreds place. So 2 zeros ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 1 0 put it 1 0 in ones place, another 0. So put it in tens place. 1 6 6, 1 1s 1, 1 5s 5, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 7s 7. Add these products. 8 8 8, 10 ಗೆ 0, 1 carry, 12 ಗೆ 2, 1 carry, 13 ಗೆ 3, 1 carry. Okay, next 83,20,888 is the answer. Next, find the product. Find the product. First, A. 729 multiply with 341. 1 9s 9, 1 2s 2, 1 7s 7. 4 9s 36 ಗೆ 6, 3 carry, 4 2s 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 ಗೆ 1, 1 carry, 4 7s 28, 28 plus 1 is 29. Next 3 hundreds place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, 2 zeros ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 3 9s 27 ಗೆ 7, 2 carry, 3 2s 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 7s 21. Add this 9 8, 14 1 15 ಗೆ 5, 1 carry, 18 ಗೆ 8, 1 4 2. 2,48,589 is the answer. Okay, next B. 565 multiply with 525. 5 5s 25 ಗೆ 5, 2 carry, 5 6 30, 30 plus 2 is 32 ಗೆ 2, 3 carry, 5 5s 25, 25 plus 3 is 28. 2 5s 10 ಗೆ 0, 1 carry, 2 6 12, 12 plus 1 is 13 ಗೆ 3, 1 carry, 2 5s 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Next 500 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. 5 5s 25 ಗೆ 5, 2 carry, 5 6 30, 30 plus 32 2, 3 carry, 5 5s 25 plus 3 is 28. Add this 5 2, 8 8 16 ಗೆ 6, 1 carry, 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2. 2,96,625 is the answer. Next, 902 multiply with 436. 6 2s 12 ಗೆ 2, 1, 6 9s 36. Sorry, 54. 6 5s 54. Next 3 is in tens place. 3 2s 6 ಗೆ 6, 1, sorry, 3 into 0 is 0. 3 2s 6, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 9s 27. Next 4 is in hundreds place. 4 2s 8, 4 into 0 is 0, 4 9s 36. Add this 2, 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12 ಗೆ 2, 1 carry, 8 plus 5 is 13 ಗೆ 3, 1 carry, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 3. 3,93,272 is the answer. Next, 783 multiply with 298. 8 3 is 24 is 4, 2 carry, 8 8 is 64, 64 plus 2 is 66 is 6, 6 carry, 8 7 is 56, 56 plus 6 is 62 is 62. 9 is in tens place, 0, 9 3 is 27 is 7, 2 carry, 9 8 is 72, 72 plus 2 is 74 is 4, 7 carry, 9 7 is 63, 63 plus 7 is 63 plus 7 70. Next 2 is in hundreds place, 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16 is 6, 1 carry, 2 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Add these, 4 13 is 3, 1 carry, 10 plus 3 is 13 is 3, 1 carry, 13 is 3, 1 carry, 8 13 is 3, 1 carry, 2. 2,33,334. 2,33,334 is the answer. Okay. Next, 524 multiply with 421. 1 4 is 4, 1 2 is 2, 1 5 is 5. 2 is in tens place, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. 4 is in hundreds place, 4 4 is 16 is 6, 1 carry, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 4 5 is 20. 4 10 is 0, 1 carry, 10 plus 6 is 16 is 6, 1 carry, 10 is 0, 1 carry, 2 2. 2,20,604 is the answer. Next, 9,307 multiply with 678. 8 7s 56 6, 5 carry, 8 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 3s 24 is 4, 2 carry. 8 7s 8 9s 72. 72 plus 2 is 74. 7 is in tens place. 7 7s 49 is 9, 4 carry. 7 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 3s 21 is 1, 2 carry. 7 9s 63. 63 plus 2 is 65. Okay. Next 6 is in hundreds place. 2 zeros idiyala, 1 0 put ones place, another 0 put in tens place. 6 7s 42. 2 4 carry, 6 into 0 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 3s 18 is 8, 1 carry. 6 9s 54. 54 plus 1 is 55. Next, add all these products. 6 14 is 4, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11 is 1 carry. 8 plus 2 is 10 is 0, 1 carry. 16 plus 5 is 21 is 1, 2 carry. 8 plus 5 is 13 is 3, 1 carry, 6. 63 lakh 10,146 is the answer. Okay. Next, this one, 2,892 multiply with 209. 9 2s are 18 is 8, 1 carry. 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 1 is 82 get 2, 8 carry. 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 8 is 80 is 0, 8 carry. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. 0 multiply with any number is 0. So alige 4 zeros bariri. 2 is in hundreds place. So hagagi 1 0 is in put it in ones place, another 0 put it in tens place. 2 2s 4, 2 9s 18 ige 8, 1 carry, 2 8s 16, 16 plus 1 is 17 ige 7, 1 carry, 2 2s 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Add these numbers, add these products. 8, 2, 4, 14 ige 4, 1 carry, 10 ige 0, 1 carry. 6,04,428 is the answer. Okay. 6,04,428 is the answer. Next. This one, 8,098 multiply with 789. 9 8 is 72 is 2, 7 carry. 9 9 is 81. 81 plus 7 is 88 is 8. 8 9 is 72. Next, this 8 is in tens place. Put it 0 in ones place. 8 8 is 64 is 4. 6 carry. 8 9 is 72. 72 plus 6 is 78 is 8. 7. Next, 8 8 is 64. Next, 7 is in hundreds place. Put 1 0 in ones place and another 0 put it in tens place. Okay. 7 8 is 56 is 6. 5 carry. 7 9 is 63. 63 plus 5 is 68 is 8. 7 8 is 56. Add these products. 2, 12 get 2, 1 carry. 16 plus 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7. So that is 23. 23 get 3, 2 carry. 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19 again 9. 19 again 9. 1 carry. 10. 18 again 8. 1 carry. 13 again 3. 1 carry. 6. 63,89,322 is the answer. Next, this one. 5,793 multiply with 423. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27 is 7. 2 carry. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23 is 3. 2 carry. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Next 2 is in tens place. So put 0 in ones place again. Okay. Next 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18 is 8. 1 carry. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 is 5. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Next 4 is in hundreds place. Put 1 0 in ones place and another 0 is in tens place. Next multiply 4. 4 3s are 12 2. 1 carry. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 1 is 37 is 7. 3 carry. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31 is 1. 3 carry. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 9. 13 is 3. 1 carry. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14 is 4. 1 carry. 7 7 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20 is 0. 2 carry. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2. So 24,50,439 is the answer. Next. 6,974 multiply with 542. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 ಗೆ 4, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 ಗೆ 9, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. 4 4s are 16 ಗೆ 6, 1 carry, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 1 is 29 ಗೆ 9, 2 carry, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 2 is 38 ಗೆ 8, 3 carry, 4 6s are 24, 24 plus 3 is 27. Next, 5 is in hundreds place. Put 1 0 in ones place and another 0 is in tens place. 5 4s are 20 is 0, 2 carry. 5 7s 35, 35 plus 2 is 37 is 7, 3 carry. 5 9s 45, 45 plus 3 is 48 is 8, 4 carry. 5 6 30, 30 plus 4 is 34. 8, 6 plus 4 is 10 is 0, 1 carry. 18 plus 1 is 19 is 9, 1 carry. Okay, 1 carry. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 9 is 19 is 9, 1 carry. 8 plus 2 10 17 is 7, 1 carry. 3 4 7 3. 37 lakh, see here, 37 lakh 79,908, 908. Okay, is the answer. Next, K. 63,174 multiply with 109. 9 4s 36 is 6, 3 carry. 9 7s 63. 63 plus 3 is 66 is 6, 6 carry. 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 is 5, 1 carry. 9 3s 27, 27 plus 1 is 28 is 8, 2 carry. 9 6 54, 54 plus 2 is 56. 0 multiply with any number is 0. Okay, 0, but 0 is in a tens place ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 0ನ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲ, 0 is in tens place, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 0 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 0 ಇಂಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? 5 zeros. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 5 zeros ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಇದು ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 zeros ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 1 0ನ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ 0 ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. 1 4s 4, 1 7s 7, 1 1s 1, 1 3s 3, 1 6s 6. Add these products. 6 6 9, 15 ಗೆ 5, 1 carry, 8 8 6. Okay, 68,85,966 is the answer. Okay, it's correct. Next, 31,489 multiply with 213. 3 9s 27 is 7, 2 carry. 3 8s 24, 24 plus 2 is 24 plus 2 26 is 6, 2 carry. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14 is 4, 1 carry. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 3s are 9. Next, 1 is in tens place, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು put 0 is in ones place or units place. 1 9s are 1 9, 1 8s are 8, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Next, 2 is in hundreds place. 1 0 na put it in ones place and another 0 put it in tens place. 2 9s are 18 is 8, 1 carry. 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17 is 7, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Add these products. 7, so 15 is 5, 1 carry. 16 plus 5 is 21 ಗೆ 1, 2 carry. 11 plus 6 is 11 plus 6 is 17 ಗೆ 7, 1 carry. 20 ಗೆ 0, 2 carry. 5 plus 2 is 7, 6. 67,07,157 is the answer. Next, this one, 27,899 multiply with 326. Okay, next, 6 9s 54. 54 ಗೆ 4, 5 carry. 6 9s again 54. 54 plus 5 is 55 ಗೆ 5, 6 9s 54. 54 plus 5 is 59. 59, 5 carry. 6 8s 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. 53 ಗೆ 48 plus 5 is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53 ಗೆ 3, 5 carry. 6 7s 42. 42 plus 5 is 47 ಗೆ 7, 4 carry. 6 2s 12. 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. 2 is in tens place. 1 0 na ones place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಿ. 2 9s 18 ಗೆ 8, 1 carry. 2 9s 18. 18 plus 1 is 19 ಗೆ 9, 1 carry. 2 8s 16. 16 plus 1 is 17 ಗೆ 7, 1 carry. 2 7s 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 ಗೆ 5, 1 carry. 2 2s 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 is in hundreds place. So put 1 0 na ones place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. Another 0 put it in tens place. 3 9s 27 ಗೆ 7, 2 carry. 3 9s 27. 27 plus 2 is 29 ಗೆ 9, 2 carry. 3 8s 24. 24 plus 2 is 26 ಗೆ 6, 2 carry. 3 7s 21. 21 plus 2 is 23 ಗೆ 3, 2 carry. 3 2s 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Add these products. 4 8 8 16 plus 1 is 17 ಗೆ 7, 1 carry. 10 plus 10 is 20 ಗೆ 0, 2 carry. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 25 ಗೆ 5, 2 carry. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19 ಗೆ 9, 1 carry. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10 ಗೆ 0, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 90,95,074 is the answer. 90,95,074 is the answer. Okay. Next, this one, 51,623 multiply with 163. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are 18 ಗೆ 8, 1 carry. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 5s are 15. 6 3s 6 tens place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, 0 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 6 3s are 18 ಗೆ 8, 1 carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 ಗೆ 3, 1 carry. 6 6s are 36. 36 plus 1 is 37 ಗೆ 7, 3 carry. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 5s are 30. 1 is in hundreds place. Put it in ones place ಮತ್ತೆ tens place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 6s are 6, 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5. Add these products. 9 14 ಗೆ 4, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15 ಗೆ 5, 1 carry. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14 ಗೆ 4, 1 carry. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21 ಗೆ 1, 2 carry. 4 8. So 84,14,549 is the answer. Next, this one last. 19,876 multiply with 452. So 2 6 12 get 2, 1 carry, 2 7 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 get 5, 1 carry, 2 8 16, 16 plus 1 is 17 get 7, 1 carry, 2 9 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 get 9, 1 carry, 2 1 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Next 5 is in tens place, put it 0 in ones place, so 5 6 30 is 0, 3 carry, 5 7 35, 35 plus 3 is 38 8, 3 carry, 5 8 40, 40 plus 3 is 43 get 3, 4 carry, 5 9 45, 45 plus 4 is 49 get 9, 4 carry, 5 1 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Next 4 is in hundreds place, so put 1 0 is in ones place and another 0 is in tens place. Next 4 6 24 get 4, 2 carry, 4 7 28, 28 plus 2 is 30 0, 3 carry, 4 8 32, 32 plus 3 is 35 get 5, 3 carry, 4 9 36, 36 plus 3 is 39 get 9, 3 carry, 4 1 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Add these products, 2 5 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19 get 9, 1 carry, 13 get 3, 1 carry, 10, 10 plus 18 8, 1 carry, 18 plus 1 is 19, 1 carry, 8. Okay, 89 lakh 83,952 is the answer. See here, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 89 lakh 83,952 is the answer. Okay, thank you so much. Next word problems. Okay, thank you so much.